Hey everyone, welcome back to my health channel. In this video I'm going to explain the topic which affects so many people, and this topic is called energy drink addiction. So in this video I'm going to explain different ways or how are you going to overcome from energy drink addiction. First of all, what is energy drink? Energy drink is just a carbonated drink or a still beverage which help to make a person to focus, also help to boost energy. For example, here we have an example of energy drink. So this is energy drink, help to increase focus, also help to boost energy. So energy drink addiction, it when you depend so much on this. If you depend so much on this, there is where addiction comes, that you cannot work, you cannot do anything, you cannot focus, you cannot do anything until you take this drink. There is where addiction it comes about. So in this video I'm going to explain the different ways which you're going to use which can help you to overcome addiction. The first way is to reduce the intake. There are people who are taking about 4 bottles of energy drink per day. 4 bottles. And I should remember that this energy drink, it contains caffeine, and caffeine is addictive. So it means that you should not just, maybe if you are taking 4 bottles the next day, don't just stop taking the 4 bottles. No, you need to reduce. For example, I was taking 4 bottles per day. You start reducing 3 days, 3 bottles per day, 2 bottles per day, 1 bottle per day, until you stop. When you stop abruptly, you're going to get the withdrawal symptoms, for example, headache. So just reduce slowly. If you are taking 4 bottles per day, you start reducing 3 bottles per day, 2 bottles per day, until 1 bottle per day. It reach a time when you will stop. We know that these addictions, energy drink addiction, is just like any other addiction, alcohol addiction or other addiction. So they are very difficult to reduce them or to stop them abruptly. So just a process of change slowly, and after some times it will become good. Okay, another way of how can you get rid is just you need to identify the triggers. What are your triggers for energy drink? What time do you take them? What makes you to drink them? When you know the triggers, it will be very, very good for you to overcome energy drink addiction. Another way of how can you get rid of energy drink addiction is stay hydrated. Drink a lot of water. When you drink a lot of water, it's a natural boost for energy. So you'll be substituting, instead of taking energy drink, you'll be drinking water. Also, you can substitute it. Instead of taking a drink, you can be taking tea. If you just feel the urge of taking a drink, take your water or buy your water. You can make tea, drink tea. That is a good substitute. Don't just instead of drinking what, you go to energy drink. No. When you become so much addicted, there is when the problem starts. Okay, another way of getting rid of energy drink addiction is you can just be doing different exercises like jogging, meditation. All of these are some of the psychological ways which can help you to overcome the energy drink addiction. So these are some of the ways of getting rid of energy drink addiction, or how can you overcome energy drink addiction. So when you start experiencing insomnia, heart palpitations, high blood pressure, heart palpitation, high blood pressure, chest pain, you need to go to the hospital, or you need to seek a medical professional. So the person can help you medically on how can you get rid of energy drink addiction. So if you have any other ways of how can you get rid of energy drink addiction, let me know in the comment section below. So thank you for being with me. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.